Here I have Xiaomi Black Shark 5, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on three stripes here, go to its settings, and then go to the watermark. So in order to add like custom watermark, you have to firstly enable device watermark, and here you can like enter some custom text like your name or nickname or anything you want. And now let's take a photo to show you an example of how it looks. So here you have Black Shark 5, HardReset.Info. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.